The modern challenges for utilities and power suppliers include the growing demand for refurbishing substations with higher than ever safety level expectations, while executing projects are increasing financial, resource and time pressures. ABB is pleased to say that we can meet these challenges head-on with our digital substation offer. Electrical substations are a key element of power grids. They are the transport infrastructure for electrical energy, just like a busy airport hub that brings travelers from a number of intercontinental locations before directing them to where they need to go locally, and at the same time ensuring their safety and smoothness of operation. A continuous, sophisticated process is happening in the background at electrical substations to guarantee an uninterrupted power supply to our homes and businesses. Just as airports has shifted from paper tickets and manual bag checks to an automated processes and online check-in, substations are moving away from expensive, labor-consuming, unsafe, traditional secondary systems design to a digital substation approach. The defining feature of a digital substation is the implementation of a process bus. Built according to the IEC 61850-9-2, it enables the replacement of point-to-point copper connections between relays and instrument transformers by means of a safe, standardized optical communication bus. So simple, but as a result, a copper reduction up to 80% can be achieved. Less material means less transport, up to 30 tons less for an average size substation. Hence, less CO2 emissions, less installation labor, and a smaller environmental footprint, and this can also lead to financial benefits. The benefit of digital substations for our customers are not in the upfront price of the device, rather the benefits are in the lower cost of ongoing holistic usage, such as the lower cost for buildings, land usage, engineering, commissioning, operation, and maintenance of the system. It also means improved safety, maximized reliability, interoperability, and real-time performance.